तिमी नजिक आउँदा बढ्छ मेरो धड्कन हावा पनि रोकिन्छ सुन्छ मेरो कदम जाउँ हिँड लन्डन घुम्नलाई पल्टन हामी जता पुग्छौँ त्यतै बनाउँछौँ किङडम
Displaying my woodworks. Yeah, these are some of my things. I work with different types of wood. The one that I'm holding right now is cypress. This one is mahogany. Yeah, this one is mahogany too. This one is mango. Yeah, or muembe. This is moringa. Moringa is very good for you because it's very herbal also. I really recommend most people to get this type of wood in your house. Yeah, or neem tree, which is more baine. Yeah, this is paduk, the family of mahogany. You can almost think it's the same, but see some difference. Yeah. They also do pyrography. This is pyrography art. I've done wood burning. I've used a very hot stuff that looks like a soldering gun, which most of you have maybe seen as a soldering gun. So it's called a pyrography pen. And yeah, this is what I do. I draw and then I burn it on top, which is food safe. You can still serve on it. You can still use it as a chopping board, but you can use the other side because if you value art and because also they are kind of pricey, but not really. Yeah. So anything that you might want your job to be branded, I do it. I also do some furnitures, but just that I can't display everything, but you can check my social media handle. They're at Mikono Made It. Yeah. And yeah, let me take you around to Diogo. Yeah. So this wood is walnuts. Kind of hard to get, but I know where I get my wood. I source them different places. Yeah, has a very good, also very dense hardwood, and you can use it for very long. Can serve it for a very long time. Yeah. Apart from that, we also use recycled, usable things like from the bins. These are cans that have already been thrown away, but we try to make some decoration on them, which can bring some very vibrant energy around your compound just by seeing them move. Yeah, some chimes. We make even chimes for your compound. Yeah, in a lot. You can come to visit our studio, which is based at Center. Yeah, the Goreti Center. Yeah. Yeah, karibu sana. And we are at Marula Green Market every Saturday.